Hey guys, CUTTERUP Rob here. Just doing a little intro for video for Wd40. They are doing a challenge, which is a repair it, don't replace it challenge. And basically what they want you to do is do a video on your project. So this is my video for one of my projects. I have more than one project. Well, if you guys are car guys, you know everything's a project. But I'm going to show you one of my projects, and I will bring you right now. So this truck here, it's not finished, but it's getting a lot closer than it was. This truck started out as a two-wheel drive, half-ton gasser truck, which now it is a four-wheel drive, three-quarter ton with a P-Pump 6.7 in it. Don't mind this, I do have a new one of these painted. This is a P-Pump 6.7, so it's a base of a 2000 and let's say 11 engine, and I've taken parts. There's parts from a 2011, there's parts from a 99, there's parts from a 98. There's a bunch of different parts in here. So I basically completely rebuilt this truck for the most part. It has all new brakes, all new front end, all new drive shafts. The transmission is completely rebuilt, all billet, fancy stuff, all that stuff. And it is, like I said, not finished, but this is the project as it is. For you guys that don't follow me, I do have a YouTube channel. It's called CUTTERUP Rob. If any of you guys are interested in following the build, seeing the build, or any of my other builds, give it a check out. So here it is. Here I'll show a couple video or a couple pictures of the truck. This, me doing a burnout, because I'm like that. This is what the truck looked like before I started to work on it. I don't have a lot of pictures, but like I said, the whole build videos, all the build videos are on my YouTube channel if you want to go and see that. So hopefully you guys see this. Hopefully you guys put your own project in, because I am going to be searching around and just taking a look at cool projects. So we'll catch you later.